Good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle. Binary puzzle in today's newspaper of Monday, July the 29th, 2024. And I've already solved two regular puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. And by the way, in today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. Now I will continue with the last regular puzzle, the binary puzzle. What's the news of today? Well, 96 days ago, another war started, and it's still continuing. Yeah, in Israel, and maybe they will start a second war, not against Hamas, but against Hezbollah. Yes. Anyway, enough about the war. This will be number 8986. And before I start, I always count up printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 by 10. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Zeros. All right, let's get started. Double one, here no, there oh no. Here one, double one, here no, there no. 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 Now the double O's. Double O's, here one, there one. 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 Now the double ones again. Double ones. Here no, there no. Double ones. Here no, there no. I think here it should be a 1. Do we have more double ones? No. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes no. Between the ones comes no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Then, let's see. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, the 5th O, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be 1. Number 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. Then, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And an O between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. Now we have a double O here. Here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Well, and now 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's time for comparing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Either one here. Right here. 3. Here also 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, we need to compare. Otherwise it will be difficult. Well, this column, look to the ones. Here we have a 1, here we have a 1, here we have a 1, the third one, the fourth one, and I cannot place the fifth one there because then we have identical columns. So I cannot place the 1 there. So this should be an O. Okay. Now we have 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 1s in a row in the second row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need to find another column. Well. We have here double O's? No. Cannot compare this column. No, not the same here. 10. Yeah, we got you. This row and that row, I believe. Yeah. Let me compare. 0011 empty box. 0011 0011 0011 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. Alright, double 1 here, no there, no. Well, and then this one is a hard one. 1, 2, 3. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double 1 here, no there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Finish 9 minutes. Well, this one took me a lot. 1, 2, 3. 2 times. Yeah. Twice. We need to compare. But we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it to solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening. Have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye-bye for now.